In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Brave Browser for beginners. By the end, you'll have Brave set up with your preferred search engine and shields, know how to browse with tabs, block ads, manage bookmarks, use a private window, install extensions from the Chrome Web Store, customize the appearance, clear browsing data, and sync across devices. First, open Brave Browser. On the top right, click the menu icon, then click Settings. In Settings, set your default search engine so every search from the address bar uses the tool you prefer. Now, turn on Shields. Shields is Brave's built-in protection for ads, trackers, and more. Make sure it's enabled so you get privacy and speed by default. Next, browse the web. Click in the address bar, type a website or a keyword, and press Enter. Your results or the site will load. To view more than one page at a time, use tabs. Open new tabs as you need and switch between them along the top to keep your work organized. Now use AdBlock with Shields while on a site. Open a website you want to visit. Click the Shields lion icon near the address bar. Here you can toggle protections on or off as needed. If a page isn't working correctly, turning Shields off for that site can help. You can switch it back on at any time. Manage bookmarks to save pages you want to return to. Press Ctrl+D to bookmark the current page. That saves it to your bookmarks. Press Ctrl+Shift+B to show the bookmarks bar if you want quick access under the address bar. To manage bookmarks, click the menu icon, then Bookmarks. From here, organize, rename, or remove saved sites as you prefer. You'll use private mode when you don't want your browsing history saved. Click the menu icon, then select New Private Window. This window won't store history, cookies, or site data after you close it, which is helpful on shared devices. Install extensions to add features. Go to the Chrome Web Store. In the search box, type the name of the extension you want. When you find it, click Add to Brave. The extension will install and appear near the address bar or in the extensions menu. Only add extensions you trust, as they can access data in your browser. Customize appearance to make Brave feel right for you. Go to Settings, then Appearance. Change the theme to light or dark and choose whether to show the bookmarks bar. Adjust these options until the browser matches your preferences. Clear browsing data when you want to remove history or free up space. Press Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data panel. Select the data you want to remove, like browsing history, cookies, or cached files, then click Clear Data. This action can sign you out of sites and remove saved activity, so review your selections before confirming. Sync across devices so your bookmarks and settings can follow you. Go to Settings, then Sync. Click Start Sync, then add devices using the code shown. Use that code on your other devices to link them. Once connected, your chosen data types will stay in sync, so you have a consistent experience everywhere you use Brave. At this point, your Brave browser is set up, you know how to browse efficiently, control Shields for ad blocking, manage bookmarks, use private windows, install extensions, customize the look, clear data safely, and sync across devices. Everything is ready and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.